Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Moonpay account. So if you are done using the platform and you want to permanently close your account, this guide is for you. First of all, you need to open your Moonpay account with the help of your email address and password that you have used while registering on Moonpay. So once you are inside the dashboard of Moonpay, you need to tap on your username here on the top. After that, you need to access the settings of your Moonpay account. Once you are here in the settings of your Moonpay account, you need to just scroll down a bit and try to find the option of delete or deactivate of your account. So when you click on the delete your account option, Moonpay is going to ask you some of the confirmations before your decision is permanent. So you need to select it and then you need to select the option of deleting your account. Now before deleting it, Moonpay is going to send you a confirmation on your email address, so you need to provide the confirmation. After that, you need to request the permanent closure of your Moonpay account again. Now if you have any pending transactions, you need to make sure that they are completed or cancelled before deleting it, because once your account is gone, you won't have access to them anymore. So this way you can delete your account on Moonpay. Now if you are facing any kind of problem while deleting your Moonpay account, you can simply tap on the option of support in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you can start a chat or a conversation with the Moonpay chat assistant. So here you can ask them to delete your account and they are going to help you in this regard. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below if you have any questions regarding this tutorial or any other guides. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.